Hi again, everyone. I'm 2 News Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony with this edition of WeatherWise, and once again, we're going to visit the models. Remember, last week we looked at all of the models, compared them, and came up with a snowfall forecast that was really accurate for what we saw Sunday and Monday. So we'll do that again. But first, we got to talk about how active this week is. In the middle part of the week, we're already seeing a storm system that goes by, some winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories in parts of Texas into Arkansas, likely will be extended into Mississippi and Tennessee, maybe even into parts of Alabama as we get in later into the week. And then there's another little system that I'm watching, and it's this tiny little wave out here across the panhandle of Texas that will move into the panhandle of Oklahoma. I mean, it's a tiny little wave, but it's bringing in some Pacific moisture, and that means that there is a chance that we could see a little bit of light snow on Friday in green country. But exactly where does it set up? And then on Saturday, you've got the bigger storm system out around Las Vegas and Los Angeles. It's a warm, moist flow overrunning some cold air. So what do we see? Rain, sleet, snow? Well, right now it looks like a combination of rain and sleet, unless this colder air can drive a little bit farther to the south. But it seems to be set up right now right on the Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Arkansas border, about the farthest extent of that cold air. So let's first look at the North American model, and again, it's going to be the most optimistic in terms of snowfall totals. It has a dusting in Tulsa down to about 2 inches around Okemah, Eufaula, Stigler, and McAllister, and that is for during the day on Friday. Then the global forecast system model comes out, and it thinks there's just not enough moisture, the wave isn't strong enough, and so it has nothing here on Friday. Then we look at the rapid progression mesoscale model, our in-house model, which was very accurate last week, and it also just doesn't think this is a very strong wave at all on Friday, because I think there's much moisture available, and it gives us probably nothing more than a few snow flurries. But the European model, which has been really accurate and consistent so far this winter, does bring a little bit of light snow as far north as Interstate 40. And so what can we assume from this? Our takeaway here is that at this point, we're still a couple days away, we could say that there is a chance for a dusting to 2 inches of snowfall across the area. What does that mean? Check back for updates. Thanks for watching this edition of WeatherWise.